Hello, my fellow Star Trek lovers. Welcome to this video in which I will start the series of Star Trek based models. It was my goal for a long time to actually design and print all the ships that bear the name Enterprise. And for this video, I started with the NX-01 Enterprise, which is, I would say, one of my most beloved one. So, without further ado, let's go into Creo and take a look at the model. So here we are, and here is the model. As you can see, I designed it already with the stand, which is in the shape of the Federation logo. And it comes with the essential information, like the number, the class, and the name, and here the slogan, Ad Astra per Aspera. And I would say that now we will get rid of the stand and simply take a look at the ship. Now, there are simply no features. It's just a kit that we'll assemble, and that's basically it. Um, the ship is not very big. That is one kind of problem, but unfortunately, I really cannot make more big models because I simply do not have place to actually display them. So the rough diameter of the saucer is 20 centimeters. So that unfortunately means that in the printed version, quite a lot of details which you can see here on the model are lost because it's so small. But in any case, uh, this is the ship and it is designed as a kit, so theoretically no glue required. But as I said, considering how small some parts are, there may be some well, glue required. I will be honest with you. Okay, and how does it work? Very easy actually. So we have the bottom part of the saucer. Into it we will put the pins and then click the upper part of the saucer. Now we turn it around, and as you can see here we have four holes, and into those four holes go those four connecting pieces. And basically the saucer is ready. Now we will attach to those knobs, we will attach impulse drives, and now here to the front, to the back, we will attach the dish. Yeah, and uh, now here to those openings we will attach the greebles. And last but not least, you can see that we have four cutouts. Those are for the thrusters. Yeah, so we will attach them. Here, little disclaimer: those thrusters, I would have to say that here you will probably need to use some bit of glue because not all of them hold in place that well. Okay, and now you can see that we have here this opening. This is for this part, and the saucer shape is now done. Now we will do, I have it in the wrong order, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. The nacelles and the rest. Okay, so basically, uh, this is one a big piece, which I very recommend to print using organic supports. Very well done with them. And when it comes to the nacelles, basically the orange pieces are separate, so that's for the convenient. And then we have one half, yeah, we have the second half. Those goes together, and then they are clapped together by the front piece and the back piece. And into them you will insert the orange pieces. And well, that's basically it. Yeah, and of course the stand. And the stand goes here to this hole. Now, one question which you may have is why is this piece separate? It's simple because I also designed the NX Refit, and as you know, the Refit is here connected to the secondary hull. And considering that the saucer side is completely identical, this is why I have it like that. Okay, so when it comes to the, well, model showcase, I would say that's all. And yeah, now we can actually go to the actual print.
And here we have the ship ready. As you can see, I already assembled the ship. Yeah, I didn't really bother to actually record the assembling because I think it's quite clear from the 3D data how the ship will be assembled. Yeah, I am not really. Well, it's not the best model I've made. The problem is mainly with the painting. Yeah, I really suck at that, and yeah, but at least I know for the future when I will design different enterprises, I will do some stuff differently. For example, what I really am not happy about is the name. Yeah, the painting was really not easy, and it doesn't look that great. Yeah, but all in all, I think it's not it's not the worst. Yeah. So yeah. Also, I the stand connection to the ship is not as good as I hoped. So in the other enterprises, I will do the connection a little bit better. Okay. Yeah. So I would say that's about it. I hope you liked it, and yeah, we will see each other in the next video. Okay, have a very nice day and bye bye.